Welcome back, friends. Thanks for tuning in today to Tiffany Baby TV. It's been a minute, right? It's been a while since I filmed and I've definitely missed y'all. I hope that you guys are staying in good spirits and that this coronavirus has not personally impacted you or your family. We got to keep these reviews coming though, so I have another review coming to you today from Samsbeauty. Today we're going to be talking about Selena by the Stylist. I have Selena in the Flamboyage Caramel color. This unit has a 13x6 lace frontal, a 6-inch deep parting space, a pre-plucked natural hairline, and it comes with baby hairs. This is what she looks like. Ooh. Go ahead and get comfortable so that you can watch me work. Here's her cap construction. You have, again, that 13x6 parting space. You have 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, adjustable straps, and this is on a wefted cap. Here's what her parting space looks like. It is a very natural looking parting space. These baby hairs are very sparse and not too long. So far, the Stylist seems to have a lot of positives going for this unit. My first impression of it is that it's really thin. This hair is not very dense or very thick on this cap, and it looks almost, can you guys see through it? I can see through it. It's a little thin for my taste, but let's get it on and see what it looks like on, shall we? All right, straight onto my head. This is Selena. This cap is very stretchy. This is the most forgiving, big head friendly cap that I think I've ever worn. So shout out to the Stylist for that. However, this coverage is not going to be full side to side for me. I can already see that my edges are going to be out. Maybe not. With some adjustment, there's plenty of room on this cap. Let's cut the lace off and make our assessment then. Here's what that parting space looks like. It looks awesome. I haven't added any powder or plucked or sprayed or done anything to that. That looks incredibly natural from where I'm sitting. And the hairline is not too dense. Oh, but there are tracks right here. So there's no real room to pluck outside of that parting space. The parting space stops right about here. So it's definitely not a mega wide frontal. I'm gonna go ahead and lay this on down. I'll be right back with you guys with my final thoughts. Alright, and with the lace cut, I can confidently tell you now that this is not giving me full side-to-side coverage. I've got a significant portion of my edges out over here and over here. But no worries, this is still fitting very comfortable. I haven't adjusted these straps at all. There's plenty of stretch, so this is still going to fit. And this cap is actually laying slightly over my ear, so it is just stretchy enough cap that it'll fit a big head girl. But will you be able to lay this 13 inches straight down onto your skin like a lace frontal? Not gonna happen, sis. Right now I am rocking this glueless and I think that looks pretty good. So I'm not gonna lay the entire perimeter down. I'm just gonna lift this up and we're gonna lazy day install this. And while we do that, I'm going to comb these curls out just to see what they look like. Might have wanted to use a wide tooth comb instead of this type of brush. Let's try for comparison. I really like how the color blends better once you've started to comb it out. You see how distinct those colors were until I've combed them together. I don't know, I might regret combing this out though. It's getting awfully big. I am getting some tangling. You guys see the texture on this, so obviously it's going to tangle on itself, but I'm not really getting any shedding. The hair itself is very soft. It's got great bounce and great body. here's the overall length. Definitely big hair don't care. Alright, so here are my final thoughts on Selena. This unit is absolutely gorgeous. I love the curls. I love the color blend. Is this unit probably for me? I don't know, you guys. I like big hair, but I don't like a mane of hair, and this is bordering on a mane. Remember when we first took this out of the package and I was like, it's a little bit thin? It's definitely not thin. If you want it to maintain its original integrity, do not comb this out. Do not brush this out. It gets really, really big, borderline unruly. I did cut some of it down just so that I would be more comfortable and more confident in it. Don't be afraid to customize your units to your liking, sis. I hope that this review was helpful for you. You can pick this unit up at samsbeauty.com. Thank you so much for sending it over. This one retails for $39.99, and there will be a link down in the description box for you to purchase it directly. I hope that you enjoyed slaying with me today. I hope that you and your family are doing well, sis. Make sure that you comment down below. Let me know how everything's going with you. Give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and continue slaying with me. Thanks for watching Tiffany Baby TV. Bye, friends.